Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on the place you are watching from. Welcome to God Glory Happy Kitchen. Welcome to our kitchen. Ciao ragazzi, buongiorno, buon pomeriggio, buonasera, dipende dove tu stai guardando questo video. Io salutavo come vostro adesso, benvenuto a God Glory Happy Kitchen, benvenuto nel nostro canale. Oggi noi facciamo supplé a romana, ok? Tipo popetta. Italia, sai cosa io sto parlando. Today guys, we want to make supplé Italian food. It means surprise, you know, rice. So ingredients we need for this supplé Italian food, we need 200 grams of rice. This is cooked rice, as you can see, yellow rice. You can easily use tomatoes rice, that means red rice. Let me just put it like that. And we need 150 grams of ragù sauce. Those who don't know how to do this ragù sauce, check my channel out, you will get the recipe there. We need breadcrumb, 3 egg. I can't give measurement of breadcrumb. You know, you use it till remain also. We need some flour and 200 grams mozzarella cheese. You can use any cheese you love, cheddar, any cheese at all you can easily use, and 3 egg to do this supplé. Ingredienti che serve per quello supplé romana: 150 grammi di ragù, 200 grammi di riso, visto quello risotto giallo, quello milanese, questo qua. Tu puoi usare riso con sugo rosso, pomodoro, quello che vuoi. 200 grammi di mozzarella, quello qua secca per pizza. A me piace questo qua, io non voglio quello fresco, se non forma acqua dentro. Un po' di farina, pan grattato, 3 uova. Let's go guys, let me show you how to make this supplé. I just take a bowl now, plate, put my egg inside. Io preso piatto, mettiamo il nostro uovo dentro. I put one glove on my hand. This hand glove I wash it also. When I keep it on my hand, I wash it, even though it's new hand glove. I used to hand glove, I use the hand glove on my work every day, but I have to wash it before I use any hand glove at all. Any new hand glove, you have to wash it because it's going to food. Guys, I have to add a pinch of salt on the egg. Andiamo un pizzico sale dentro uova per panatura. Questo qua è panatura. Then we now put the egg aside. This is our ragù sauce. We just take rice like this. As you can see, you can cook rice. Maybe the rice remain. The next day, you'll use it for this supplé. You cook fresh one. If you want to do this recipe, anyone, you can easily use remaining rice, no problem. Poi usate anche il riso avanzato a casa, poi usare fresco. Then we now add our mozzarella cheese on it, as you can see it. You guys can see what I'm doing. Then we now cover it with some rice again, because we have to create as a ball, very big. Guys, they call it orange. Italian call it arancino. Also, they call it orange. If you don't want to call it supplé, then we now put it into our flour. As you can see, like this. Then go into egg. After that, to our breadcrumb. Okay, it's set. We need oil as well to fry, guys. It's set. We have to put it on one plate. So we have to do all the rice like this. Non deve fare tutti così. As you can see, our arancino, our supplé is set just to fry, and we need oil as well, guys. If I didn't told you guys, we need oil to fry. You can even bake it on oven if you don't want to fry because of the fat, but I'm going to fry it now. Lui serve anche olio per friggere se io non ho detto voi ragazzi, quindi è pronto solo da friggere adesso. Guys, our oil is hot now. We have to put our spray inside. Il nostro olio è calda, mettiamo il nostro spray dentro, so we have to fry. Guys, as you can see, our spray is set. Il nostro spray arancino, you have to take it out of the oil. Guys, our soufflé is set, il nostro soufflé è pronto, arancino, quello che vuoi chiamare a romana, è pronta. Se piace quella ricetta, lo state aspettando, dai pollice in su, non dimentica per iscrivervi al nostro canale se non ancora fatto. E ascolto qua prima, grazie a Dio di benedica. Ci vediamo nel nostro prossimo video, se andiamo al mio canale. Thank you guys for your watching. If you like this recipe, just give a huge thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel if you are not subscribed yet. If you already subscribed here before, thank you, God bless you. We'll see you on my next video. We'll see you on my channel. Let me show you how it look like. So you can see how it look like. Vedi dentro com'è, mama. This is surprise. This is plain out of the arancino. Bye bye guys, thank you for your watching. God bless, one love.